In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get help from Etsy when you find yourself facing any questions or issues, whether you're a buyer or a seller. We'll take a look at how you can navigate Etsy's Help Center to find answers, contact support, and even discover the tailored assistance available for sellers. This guide should help you confidently access the support you need when you need it. To begin, head over to the Etsy Help Center. You can access it directly through the Etsy website. This is your first port of call for any common questions or general issues you might have. Once there, you'll have the opportunity to search through a wealth of resources and frequently asked questions. Often you might find that your query has already been addressed, saving you time from having to reach out directly to support. If you need to make contact with Etsy support, they offer a couple of options. Scroll down to the bottom of the Help Center page and click on the Contact Us button. This will guide you through a series of prompts designed to better understand your issue and direct you to the appropriate support channel. Depending on the nature of your query, Etsy might offer you the chance to chat with a support representative in real time or to send an email explaining your problem. In certain instances, Etsy also offers phone support. However, do keep in mind that phone support regarding Etsy isn't always universally available. This option typically becomes accessible once you've started a support request through the Help Center. The availability of phone support can depend on the specific details of your issue and possibly even your geographical location, but it is an option in some cases. For those among you who are Etsy sellers, there's a slightly different route for obtaining assistance. First, make sure you're logged into your account, then access your shop manager. From there, select the help option and look for contact support. As sellers, you might encounter unique challenges or questions, and Etsy provides more specialized, tailored assistance through this pathway, ensuring you're getting the support relevant to your specific needs and circumstances as a seller. Navigating customer or seller support can sometimes feel daunting, but with these steps, you should find it manageable and straightforward. Remember, whether through search, email, chat, or phone, Etsy aims to provide the guidance and assistance their users need to ensure a smooth and positive experience on the platform. By taking advantage of these resources, you can address any concerns that arise, keeping your buying or selling activities on Etsy as enjoyable as possible.